My test, my buntag sa tanan. Happy Sunday. Yeah, before we start, these are my books, mga higala, and I also have my flashcards available on the site. My books are also available on Amazon. Magsugod na ta? Let's start. Let's review what we have tackled last live stream. Okay, so I will be very quick on this one because this is just a review. Okay, if you want to really go into the details of this review, go back to episode number 3. Okay, traffic kaayo, so much traffic. Pagsulob og helmet, wear a helmet. Nagsulob ko og helmet, I'm wearing a helmet. Wala ko nagsulob og helmet, I'm not wearing a helmet. Paghinay og drive, drive slowly. Pagbantay, beware or be cautious or caution. Ayaw pagdali, don't rush. Kamuti driver, it means reckless driver. So someone who is reckless on the road, we call them kamote driver. Next one, paugat pa more. This is an expression. It's a common expression among motorists, often used during traffic to describe someone who is stubborn and refuses to yield. Okay? And next one, it's not my fault. Dili akong sayop or dili akong sala. Okay? It's my fault. Sala nako, or you can say sayop nako. Another way to say it is akong sala or akong sayop. It's my fault. Now, so in this lesson, it is a continuation of the previous episodes, still related to traffic. So let me know, mga higala, if you have any questions in the chat box. Okay, the first one we have, I forgot. I forgot. Nakalimot ko. Nakalimot ko. Or you can also say, nalimot ko. That's also acceptable. The meaning is just the same. So the root word here is limot. It means forget. So when you say nakalimot ko, nalimot ko, this is already in the past tense. That means you already experienced the state of forgetting something. Okay, so nakalimot, nalimot ko. So use this one if it's already in the past tense for forget. Next, I forgot to look. Nakalimot ko og lingi. Okay, nakalimot ko og lingi. That means you forgot to look. So lingi is actually, okay, you already know forgot, nakalimot. To look back, it means lingi. Nakalimot ko og lingi. So, ko is I here. And then, what have you forgotten? So, what did you forget? Okay, lingi. So, we have og here to connect nakalimot ko to lingi. So, nakalimot ko og lingi. I forgot to look. Okay, another one. I forgot my helmet. Helmet. So, very easy, mga higala. Nakalimot ko sa akong helmet. Okay? Nakalimot ko sa akong helmet. So, you might ask why I'm using sa here. Okay? So, for this one, if we have an object, so instead of, you can also, actually can also say, nakalimot ko og helmet. This too actually has the same meaning, okay? But in this case, since I have akong here, we have a possessive pronoun. So basically, my helmet, akong helmet, we will use sa in this case, in this sentence, okay? Because we already have the personal pronoun. So if you don't have any personal pronoun here, possessive pronoun, if you don't have possessive pronoun, you can use og helmet. But the first sentence, nakalimot ko sa akong helmet, it is very specific that it is my helmet. Okay, it's very clear in the sentence. But the second one, it is contextual that, yeah, I forgot, nalimot ko og helmet. That means I'm also referring to my helmet. Next one. I am hurt. So here in our language, we don't really say I am hurt. We have to be more specific on this one. So like this one, nasamdan ko. I am wounded. Okay, I am wounded. The root word here is samad. Okay, samad, it means cut, wound, or laceration. Okay, nasamdan ko. Okay, nasamdan, that means this one is already in the past tense. You are already at the state of being wounded. So we will use the prefix na. Okay, nasamdan ko, I am wounded. Another one, nabalian ko. Nabalian ko. I have a fracture. So the root word here is bali. Okay, bali, that means broken or fractured. So you will say this if you have, maybe it could be nabalian ko og kamot. That means kamot is your hand. Tiil is your feet, your legs. Okay? So this is how we say I am hurt. It has to be specific. Okay? Now let's have a quick review, mga higala. Wala ko nilingi. I did not look. So again, lingi, it means look back. Okay? To look back. Lingi. So it's like this. Lingi. Okay? Next one, nakalimot ko. I forgot. Or you can say nalimot ko. Nakalimot ko og lingi. I forgot to look. Okay? I forgot to look. Nakalimot ko sa akong helmet. I forgot my helmet. Nasamdan ko. I am wounded. Nabalian ko. I have a fracture. Okay? There. Let's have some root words here. Limot, forget. Samad. Okay? Samad, cut, wound, laceration. Samad. Bali. Okay? We have the, how do you say, the glottal stop at the vowel E, letter I, vowel I. Bali. Bali. You don't say Bali. Bali is like the, Indonesia, Bali, Indonesia. Bali. Bali. It should be like that. Okay. And then, again, bali, broken or fractured. Lingi, look back. Okay, lingi. So we have the glottal stop also here at the vowel I. Lingi. Don't say lingi. Say lingi. Ngi, ngi. Okay, lingi. So the same with bali. Let me talk about my new project. Okay, so my new project actually is I am curating, I am developing a new learning kit subscription box. So the purpose of this is for those absolute beginners who wants to build their core foundation in learning the Cebuano language. This will help you with vocabulary. Majority of the resource materials are interactive, so to help you with word retention, so that you can retain the words better. And then the activity book, it is a reusable book, so you can actually, you just need a whiteboard marker and you can erase it anytime. So if you have 2 or more learners of this kit, I would say it is cost effective because you don't have to keep buying these materials because it is reusable. And also this is for, if you're a teacher of Bisaya, this is also a great resource materials that you can use for your students. Okay, so if you are interested, you can join the wait list and become my founding member. So for those founding members, I actually give 20% on your first box. And if you are residing here in the Philippines, I also provide free shipping for PH orders. For international orders, I provide discounted shipping rates. Okay, so I actually collaborated with DHL so that they can give me a discounted rates. So I don't really earn with the shipping. I just give whatever DHL provided me. So for now, I have a 12-month curriculum for absolute beginners. It focuses on the core vocabulary. Okay, so that's all. If you're interested, I will provide the link in the description box. So I hope to see you again next time, mga higala. Bye-bye!